Welcome to Archiversity online lectures. In marketing research, we can present our research data either in the form of a tables or using a charts and graphs. When you present your data using a tables, sometimes it looks cluttered. In the sense you may not be able to make the information at a first glance. On the other hand, graph or a chart is very easy to understand and interpret the information at ease. In this lecture, I will show you how to draw pivot chart or a graph and edit it, and finally how to copy it into the Microsoft Word where you can write a report. Here is the data of our respondents, particularly related to the demographic information of the respondents, where we have gender, age, marital status, education, occupation, family size and frequency per month. And this is placed in a tabular form where there are no empty rows and empty columns. Because as you know, by this time, if you have any empty rows and empty columns, it would be little difficult to create a pivot tables. So now as this data is organized, first we draw the pivot table. So to draw a pivot table, click on insert, then click pivot table, then choose a new worksheet, click OK. So here what we do is we draw a pie chart using education as a variable. So select the education and put it in a rows. Then once again select education and put it in a values box. So you have a postgraduate, professional, schooling, undergraduate. But if you look at your questionnaire, so the order is something different. So the order is first is a schooling, second undergraduate, third postgraduate, and fourth is a professional. But in your pivot chart, it is different. Schooling is third. So do not worry, you can rearrange them. So our first variable is schooling. So select this row, then place your cursor on a row header. Simply move this to the first place. So you have a schooling now. Then after schooling you have an undergraduate. Select the row undergraduate, then move this to second one. So you have a undergraduate. Now this is in order: schooling, undergraduate, postgraduate and professional course. Now here we have a count. As we are seeing the pie chart, in case of pie chart, it would be ideal if we have a percentage. So to get a percentage, double click on a count of education, then show values as, from a show values as percentage of column total. Then click OK. Now you have a percentages. In the sense from your respondents, 0.81% are schooling and 26% have undergraduate qualification and 67% have postgraduate qualification. Now once you are done with this, then click on analyze, and in analyze you will find a pivot chart ribbon. Click a pivot chart ribbon. Then here you have a different chart options. So we'll select the pie because we are calculating a percentage. So percentage is a sum of 100. So we'll select the pie, then click OK. Your pie chart is ready. Once pie chart is ready, you can modify this. This we call as a legend. So here legend is appearing on the right side. You can change this simply by double clicking on this. Once you double click, you will get format legend options. So legend is on to the right. Now move this to the bottom. So select the bottom. Then now it moved to the bottom. If you wish to change the font, so simply select this, go to home. Then here you can select the font type. Let us say Arabic, then font size 12. You can see change in font and font size. Next here we have a pie chart. However, without looking at a table, it is very difficult what percentage values are here. So you can edit this one. To edit this, right click on the pie chart, then click on add data labels. So in add data labels, on right side you will find an arrow. So place your cursor on an arrow, then add data labels or add data callouts. So when you add a data callouts, this means your percentage will be there and value name also there, which is called outside of a graph. So we'll click this one. Now you can see that. So here you can see postgraduate 67%, professional 6%, then schooling, then undergraduate 26%, and you have a title here. You can move the title from this place to another place, and then you can edit the chat also. You can add border to your chat. So here border is automatic. You can say solid line, then choose the color, let's say black color. If you want to fill the chat with gradient or some other colors, you can fill this. Then once you are done with all your edits here, you can change the title of the chat. So here title we say that education of respondents. Once you are confident that your chat is a perfect, then simply select the chat, Ctrl C, and go to a Word document, and then press Ctrl V. So your chat is copied. Now if you miss any editing there in Excel, you can do edits here also. So suppose if you want to change the font of callouts, so simply select the callouts, then here font type and font size. This is how you can draw chats in a Microsoft Excel using pivot charts and copy them and paste it in a Word document. Once you are done with your chat, you can write a description for this chat, or you can write an analysis for this chat. Thank you for watching the lecture.